Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our hard trifold flip-up bed cover. Not only is this a beautiful cover with its low-profile design, but it will also protect the contents of your bed against the elements and prying eyes and sticky fingers. But the best thing about this bed cover is that it will flip up and completely out of the way, giving you full bed access for taller items without having to remove it. You simply unlatch, flip the panel all the way back, and secure with the integrated prop rods. Let me show you what's included with the kit. Starting back here, we've got the cover itself, clad in aluminum top and bottom, weather-resistant seal all the way around. Coming down, we've got our rails. These are gonna mount on each side of the truck. They've got drainage ports already installed, as well as prop rods. Coming down here, we've got our bulkhead sealed. Next up, we've got our drain hoses. Those are gonna attach to the bungs, and we're gonna route those outside of the bed to make sure any moisture that gets trapped in the channel exits the bed. Over here, we've got our clamps. Those are gonna be used to install our rails. We've got our primary panel carriage bolts. And finally, we've got all the tools required to install this on your truck. So if you're looking for a stylish way to secure the contents of your bed, but still have full access to that bed in a moment's notice without having to uninstall it, you're ready for Rough Country's hard trifold flip-up bed cover. Available today at roughcountry.com.